So here we are in the middle of the Atlantic. My name is Darwin. I'm currently racing from France to Brazil, and even though I'm racing a sail yacht, I need quite a lot of electricity to run my autopilot. You see the boat is steering by itself. I need energy for my GPS, for my radio, for all my navigational instruments, and EFOY is providing me with all this energy with its fuel cell. I'm currently using the EFOY 2200 and it's been working great for me. I've been at sea for about 15 days now and I have no problems. And obviously in the Middle Atlantic there is no way you can get help on fixing your electricity supply.